What's up guys, and welcome back to another Crypto Royal video. Today's topic will be spread trading, so guys stay tuned. So hello traders and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the smartest ways of trading crypto with lower risk and a higher precision. It's called spread trading and it's on a Bybit. First guys, if you ever wonder how pros profit when markets are going nowhere or they want to hedge during volatility, this video is completely for you. I'm going to exactly show you how it is and how it works. So let's dive in. First guys, you need to understand what that actually is. So what spread trading is. First guys, spread trading is when you open two positions simultaneously, one long and one short across different contracts at the same asset, and you can choose between Bitcoin, you can choose between Ethereum and also Solana. So for example, we can say that we want to trade BTC perpetual against BTC quarterly futures. So you are not betting on a price going up or down, you're betting on how the difference between two contracts called the spread will change. BTC perpetual, let's say, is sitting at $100k $900 and BTC quarterly is sitting at $100k $700. So that means that the difference between them is $200. If you think that the difference will be bigger, you want to buy the first leg and the second one will going short, which means that the price will increase and you will profit from both and both positions will be opened simultaneously. If you think that the spread will be lower, you would like to short, that means that if the price converge or the price is going closer than it was at the beginning, you will win from that. Why would you like to use spread trading? First guys, market neutral, which means that you reduce exposure to the overall price swings. Second, hedge your portfolio, profit from volatility and funding rates, and perfect for sideways market. So the next thing guys is you need to understand what is the real trading strategy in this and how you can use it. First, let's say perpetual has high funding. Sell perpetual and buy quarterly so you can collect funding and profit from the convergence. Short the premium, so quarterly futures are way above the spot. You can sell the spread, so short quarterly, long perpetual and before expiry. You can also choose between basic compressions before expiry, so futures converge to spot and as expiry is near. So you can also look for wide spreads and trade the reversions. Also you can bullish steepener is one of the strategies that you can use. So in bullish sentiment, quarterly often outpaces perpetual, so you can go long quarterly and short perpetual so you can ride the curve steepening. Also volatility neutral spread is one of them, so high volatility build unclear direction. You can use spreads to focus on relative value, not directions. So let's find out where it is and how it works. By going click on a spread trading in a trade sector, we will be directed straight to the spread trading. We can choose between BTC, Ethereum and Solana, and I'm going to use Sol for this example. Here guys, you can see that I can trade perpetual and again spot that is right here. So by clicking here you can see what is the difference in the price. It's less than 30 USDT. So guys, let's say that we would like to use perpetual against quarterly futures that is set to expire at 30 May 2025. Here guys, you can see the difference between them, and let's say that we think this is going to be shorter or it's going to be shrinking. So how it actually works, we can use between limit orders or the market orders. I'm going to say that I'm going to be aggressive guys. I'm going to see and set as the market order. I'm going to use 0.1 sols and I'm going to sell it because I think it's going to be lowered. So once I click on a sell and click here, I'm going to confirm, and you can see that I'm right now entered and my positions are right here. Both positions are right here guys, and you can see how it actually works, and you can see that you can track it right here. So first guys, you can see I'm used here Sol USDT is the active order, and here guys you can see that I bought perpetual, which means and you can see that I sold expiry contract that is set to be expiring at 30 May 2025. So guys, the next thing that you can see right here on the right side is my realized P&L. Right now it's sitting at almost nothing, and we'll find out once I want to close the trade. So guys, that's how it works. It is very simple guys, and you need to have the strategy. So you need to understand how that works. I showed you how it works, everything else is on you. If you want lower risk, high precision strategies, this is it. So guys, in the comment section below, please tell me what you think about spread trading on a Bybit. If you have any questions, you can put it down. I'm going to answer you gladly. That was just a quick intro guys, everything else is on you. Please guys, like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.